These tomatoes are huge. And yes, today we are going to turn them into something magical. If you've never had burrata melted into a sun-warmed, just picked fresh tomato, drizzled with some balsamic and tossed with a little fresh basil, you are about to understand what summer should actually taste like. I'm Dr. Joanette, your longevity expert, and good nutrition starts with great food like this tomato. So let's get cooking. To get started, we are going to cut up these beautiful, amazing tomatoes here. These were just picked this morning in the garden, and we're going to create some amazing slices here. Now, this is what a fresh garden tomato should look like inside. Beautifully ripe, and in fact, these slices are so big that we are going to need to cut them in half here and add them to our plate. And next, we've got our burrata. What you want to do, burrata is mozzarella cheese with mozzarella cheese shreds inside with some milk. And you want to just kind of tear it open so that all you can see all of that delicious creaminess. It kind of starts almost wanting to spill out a little bit onto your tomatoes. Get a little basil here. We're gonna chop up a little basil, also from the garden. Everything organically grown. Tomatoes have a substance called lycopene that is really good for your heart. In fact, some people think the inside of a tomato kind of looks like the inside of a heart. I don't know if it does or not, but if it helps you remember that tomatoes are good for your heart, then that's a great memory mnemonic. We're just gonna some shreds of basil here, a little bit on the burrata, and I like to sprinkle a few pine nuts on it, and a little lemon zest here, adds a little extra color, and that looks pretty good. And we're gonna drizzle it with a little olive oil. The smell is heavenly. A little more on the burrata, and a little balsamic vinegar. And lastly, a little salt and a little pepper. Pepper is optional, but I do recommend the salt, unless you're on a low-fat, no-fat salt diet. I love it with both the salt and the pepper. Let's give it a try. A little slice of tomato here, and get some of that nice creamy burrata. You know, this is really great with a slice of nice crispy bread. Maybe some homemade sourdough. If you go to my website, you've got a great recipe there for homemade whole wheat sourdough bread. Goes amazing with this recipe. Let's give it a try. I don't know what is best. That creamy burrata, that burst of fresh tomato, or the hints of balsamic, olive oil, and basil. It all comes together perfectly. Are you ready to flip your longevity switch with food that will fuel your body as well as delight your taste buds? This tomato burrata is just the beginning, and for more healthy, crave-worthy recipes designed to help you live longer, feel better, and feel more energized, head right over to growwithdrjoanette.com, and you can start your journey to vibrant longevity today. Like this video and also drop a comment to share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and sign up for notifications. Let's grow young together. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Dr. Joanette channel.